What in the world? Look, man. Look. I'm gonna what is the whole thing? Oh, man. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Only thing I can do is just walk through this yard. You know what I mean? Then I gotta walk back through it. Man, crazy. Look at this. Crazy. In Vietnam, I'd be like, it's just water. It's just water. That's what I say to myself. When it be raining, you know, it's rain season, so rain season lasts here like 6 months. Probably even longer than that, but I just say it's just water. You know, because it is. You know, it's just the whole process and all that. You know? Yeah. Oh wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. You know, first time experiencing this though. This is crazy. Yeah. I gotta do what I gotta do. Get through this under the weather. We're going through it, man. We're going through it. If you only knew. Yeah. Very know this, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. This is insane. This is going viral right here, man. This is going viral. This is going viral for sure. Look at this. Just look at all this. This is just crazy. Man, everybody trying to. Oh, man, this is crazy. Look, grandma trying to get through. Hey, grandma, how you doing? How you doing? Your shoe? You lost your shoe? Look, see, look. I've never seen it like this ever. Hopefully no alligators, no Vietnamese alligators, something just on my ankle. I felt something. Man. Yeah. Vietnam. Alright. It's like, welcome to Vietnam. Man, come on, sick. We're getting through it, though. Definitely getting through it. I'm gonna take me a decent shower after this. I'm gonna soak, because this is crazy. Crazy.